Welcome back to the channel, and today we're taking a close look at the stunning 2026 Mercedes Bush Line Motorhome, a luxury machine designed to turn every journey into a first-class experience. From the moment you see it, the exterior makes a strong statement with its sleek aerodynamic design, signature Mercedes grille, bold LED headlights, and a premium finish that looks elegant and commanding on the road. Inside, the motorhome feels like a modern luxury suite, featuring spacious leather seating, ambient lighting, high-end wood and soft-touch materials, and a fully digital control system that lets you manage comfort with just a touch. The kitchen is fully equipped for long trips, the bathroom is refined and practical, and the sleeping area offers true home-like comfort. Performance is equally impressive, powered by a smooth and reliable Mercedes engine, advanced suspension, and intelligent safety systems that make driving effortless on highways and challenging routes. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes Bush Line Motorhome delivers a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and practicality, making it an ideal choice for travelers who want comfort without compromise.